Let's make Manchurian with street-style nostalgia and chef-style precision in the new Philips OneChef. Today we'll use the special air frying rack. Press the power button, then air fry mode followed by veg preset. Now press start. In a bowl, add chopped cabbage, carrot, French beans, ginger, garlic, green chilies, spring onion, a pinch of white pepper powder, salt to taste, refined flour, cornstarch, light soy sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, and give it a good mix. Now make the Manchurian balls and keep aside. Lightly brush the air frying rack with oil, place the Manchurian balls on it, and let air fry for 12 to 15 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Once done, transfer them to a bowl and keep it aside for further use. To make the gravy, press the power button, then stir fry mode followed by veg preset and press start. Add oil to the cooking pot, then to the hot oil add garlic, ginger, green chilies, tender coriander stems and saute for 2 minutes. Add light soy sauce, vinegar, red chili sauce, green chili sauce and cook for a minute. Add water, salt to taste, a little bit of sugar and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add cornstarch slurry. Prepared Manchurian balls, finish it off with spring onion and give it a good mix. Transfer to a serving bowl and garnish with a sprig of coriander. Serve hot with veg fried rice or noodles. Crunch and glaze ka perfect balance thanks to Philips OneChef. It's all you need.